Have you ever felt that deep frustration? You walk into your poultry house early in the morning, expecting full tray of eggs, only to find just a handful. You check everything. Your hens look healthy. They are eating well. You have given them quality feed, clean water, all the necessary vaccinations. But something just isn't adding up. Egg production is down and you do not know why. Or maybe your flock started strong, laying plenty of eggs when they were younger, but lately things have changed. The eggs are fewer, some shells are thinner or easily cracked, and the performance just keeps dropping. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Many poultry farmers face this same issue, and the good news is there is a natural solution that is been working wonders for those who knows it. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple homemade supplement using just two natural inexpensive ingredients that can completely transform your egg production. Not only can it help your hen lay more consistently, but it also improves egg quality, reduces feed waste, and supports overall flock health. And the best part is, this method is 100% organic. You do not need to rely on synthetic additives, expensive premixes, or risky chemical boosters. So let's dive into the real reason behind this egg laying problem and how to fix it from the roots. Now let's talk science. As your hens get older, their bodies begin to change. Just like in humans, aging affects how efficiently their system works. One of the first areas to suffer is nutrient absorption, especially calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for egg formation and shell strength. Here's what is happening inside your hen's body. The calcium she consumes through her feed is no longer absorbed as efficiently in her gut. At the same time, the size of her eggs tends to increase naturally with age, requiring even more calcium to form strong shells. But now you have got a problem. More calcium demand and less absorption. It becomes a vicious cycle. You may start seeing eggs with paper thin shells, cracked shells, or shellless eggs entirely. This not only affects your profit due to breakage during transport, but also stresses your beds. Many farmers try to fix this by adding more calcium into the feed, but here is the catch. Too much calcium can actually backfire. Excessive calcium can block the absorption of other important minerals, especially phosphorus, magnesium, and trace elements. When that happens, your birds become deficient in multiple areas. Their gut health weakens and overall productivity drops even further. So, how do you solve this complex problem without creating new ones? That is where the vinegar and charcoal combo comes in. A simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Let's break it down. First, vinegar, but not just any vinegar. We are talking about raw, unfiltered vinegar. Apple cider vinegar or locally made sugarcane vinegar are excellent choices. This type of vinegar is rich in organic acids, natural enzymes, and trace minerals. When added into the bird's feed or water, it helps to lower the pH level of the gut. A slightly acidic gut creates the perfect environment for better digestion, stronger beneficial bacteria, and most importantly, enhanced mineral solubility. That means calcium, phosphorus, and other nutrients become more bioavailable, and your birds can absorb more of what they are already eating. Next, we have charcoal, specifically wound charcoal powder, not briskets. Those are for your barbecue and may contain dangerous chemicals. We are talking about natural wound charcoal crushed into a fine powder. Charcoal is a natural detoxifier. It binds to toxins, mold spores, and harmful bacteria in the gut, preventing them from entering your bird's bloodstream. This protects the gut lining and allows it to function properly, leading to better absorption of nutrients, improved immunity, and more stable overall health. But charcoal does not stop there. It also balances out gut formation, reduces gas, and helps your birds convert feed more efficiently, giving you more output with the same amount of input. So when you combine vinegar and charcoal, you get a supplement that cleans the gut, improves digestion, boosts nutrient absorption, and support healthier egg production naturally. Let's talk results. Farmers who have adopted this combination have reported some impressive changes in just 7 to 14 days. First, there is a clear increase in egg production. Older hens that had dropped to 30% laying rate jumped back up to 50 or even 60% without changing anything else in their feeding schedule. Secondly, eggshells becomes noticeably thicker and stronger. No more messy cracked eggs in your trays or broken shells during transport. This alone can save you a lot of money in losses. Thirdly, the yolk color becomes deeper, richer, more golden yellow. This is a sign of improved nutrient absorption, especially fat-soluble pigment like carotenoids. And if you sell your eggs to customers, you already know how much they love bright yolks. Fourthly, the birds start to slim down a bit in a good way. Older hens often accumulate excessive fat around their reproductive organs, which interferes with ovulation. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps to regulate fat metabolism, keeping your hen lean, active, and laying. Fifthly, gut health improves dramatically. Vinegar lowers bad bacterial population. Charcoal mops up toxics, and the result is a healthier digestive system. That means fewer cases of diarrhea, lower risk of disease, and better feed conversion. And finally, if you are into hashing your own chicks, you will love this. Egg from vinegar and charcoal fed hens produce stronger, heavier chicks with higher hashability and survival rates. So now you are probably wondering, how do I prepare this at home? Here is the easy process. You will need two things: 1 liter of raw unfiltered vinegar, apple cider or sugarcane vinegar, 2 kilograms of wound charcoal powder. Step 1. Grind your charcoal if it is not already powder. You want it fine enough to mix well, but not as fine as dust. Coarse powder is perfect. Step 2. Mix the charcoal powder with the vinegar in a clean container. Stir thoroughly until you get a semi-thick paste. It should not be too dry or too watery, just a smooth, moist mixture. Add this mixture into your poultry feed at a rate of 1.5%. That is about 15 grams of supplement per kilogram of feed. For a standard 50 kg bag of feed, use around 750 grams of your homemade mix. Step 4. Feed this mixture to your hens daily, or at least 3 to 4 times a week. Make sure to mix it evenly so every bird gets their share. After a week, begin to monitor your flock. Watch for changes in egg count, egg share strength, yolk color, birds' energy levels, and general health. Stay consistent and adjust as needed depending on what your birds show you. And there you have it, a simple, natural, cost saving supplement that can unlock your flock's full laying potential. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature has the answers. All we need is the knowledge to use them. Want more natural poultry remedies? Click the video on your screen right now to discover another powerful tips that will keep your pets healthy and productive all year long. See you there. Sam is out.